Hello students, in the previous video we have already learned and we have already done the 3 questions based on the exercise Roman number 3, that is to make the sentence into negative as well as the question mark. Okay, there will be a normal statement in which we need to make it into the negative sentence as well as the question mark. Okay, so in the previous video we have done the 3 questions and another 3 questions I have written on the board. Let's do, and I have already told you to try by yourself. So if you have done already means you can check the answer by referring this video. Okay, so let's do the 4th question first. We met yesterday. We met yesterday means நாங்க நேத்திக்கு meet பண்ணோம். Okay, நேத்திக்கு நாங்க வந்து சந்திச்சோம். This is the Tamil meaning for this sentence. Okay, so what we need to do, turn each sentences into negative sentence and a question. We need to change this sentence, this we met yesterday, into the negative and also the question. Okay, so that is why I have written 1 and 2. Okay, 2 dashes are here. We need to make it into negative as well as the question. So how can we make a sentence into negative sentence? Yes, by adding not. By adding not in a sentence we can make it into the negative. So there are rules that if the sentence contains the auxiliary verb with the main verb means we need to apply this rule. That is, in between, after the auxiliary verb you need to add not and then main verb. So for making the sentence into negative, what will you do? First you need to check whether this sentence has an auxiliary verb with the main verb. If yes means you need to write the subject and then the auxiliary verb, and after it you need to write not and then main verb and all other words. Suppose if there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence, what will you do? You need to use do form verb. Okay, what will you do? You will use the do form verbs, that is do, does or did only, depends upon the time of the action. Okay, you will write the subject first and then do form verb and not and the main verb and all other things to make it into negative sentence. Okay, these are the 2 rules to make the negative sentence. So what about the question? How to make question? For the question making sentence also you need to check whether this sentence contains the auxiliary verb with the main verb. Okay, whether this auxiliary verb comes with the main verb or not. If yes means you need to follow this rule, that is you are going to write the auxiliary verb first and then the subject and then only you are going to write the main verb. See, first you are going to write the auxiliary verb, then the subject and then main verb and all other things. Okay, and if there is no auxiliary verb, only the main verb in the sentence means you are going to use the do form verb. Okay, you are going to use do form verb and then subject and all other words. Okay, I hope you are clear with doing the for making the negative sentence and also the question sentence. Okay, now let's do this 4th question. Okay, we met yesterday. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? We met yesterday. Here auxiliary verb always comes before the main verb. Here the main verb is met, that is meet. Before met, can you find any auxiliary verb? Any be form verb or do form verb or have form verb? No, there is no auxiliary verb. So for making the negative sentence, which rule we need to use? Yes, we need to use the second rule, that is we are going to use the do form verb in place of the auxiliary verb only. Okay, so here there is no auxiliary verb and now we are going to make it into negative sentence. So if there is no auxiliary verb means we need to use do form verb according to the time of the action. Here the meet, it has become like met, that is it means they are talking about the past time event only. So which is the past time verb in the do form verb? Yes, that is did only. So we can directly write the answer, like the subject will come in the first place for the negative sentence, because in the first dash always we are going to write the negative sentence answer only. Okay, so the subject here is we and the main verb, that is the met, that is in the past form. We are going to use the present form, I mean the normal, the base form, that is meet only. Okay, before that we need to use do form verb. So for the past time do form verb will be did only. So I am going to write did here. Did, after writing did, what I need to write? Yes, not. Then the main verb, here the main verb is meet. Then all other words will come as it is, yesterday. Now I am going to read out this negative sentence. See, we did not meet yesterday. It means what? நாங்க நேத்திக்கு சந்திக்கவே இல்லை. Okay, so here when a sentence comes with not means it is a negative sentence. So what we have done here, we have used the do form verb because there is no auxiliary verb. Okay, now let's make the sentence into the question. Okay, let's make this sentence as a question sentence. Okay, so here we have already find out that there is no auxiliary verb. We need to use the do form verb only, right? So here also if there is no auxiliary verb, we need to use do form verb. And which do form verb we need to use? Yes, did only, because it's talk about the past time event. So as per the rule, we need to write the do first, the do form verb first, then subject and all other things. So I am going to write the do form verb here, that is did first, and then the subject. What is the subject here? That is we. Did we meet yesterday? And it ends with what? Yes, always the question sentence ends with the question mark. So did we meet yesterday? Nama nethiki sandishoma is the Tamil meaning. Okay, I hope you are clear with this fourth one. Let's do fifth one. Okay, I have the train tickets. I have the train ticket. It means what? Enkita train tickets irukku. Train tickets na vechirukku. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, now let's make it into the negative sentence. Okay, first you need to check it out whether this sentence contains the auxiliary verb with the main verb or not. Okay, so here can you find the auxiliary verb? Yes, that is have. But can you find the main verb? Because auxiliary verb always comes with the main verb. Any other action verb can you find here? No, there is no other main verb. It means what? Here the verb have, it's acting as a main verb only, not an auxiliary verb. Here the verb have is acting as a main verb. Okay, means irukkiradhu vechirukkiradhu. It means it's acting as a main verb, not an auxiliary verb, because auxiliary verb always comes with the main verb. So there is no main verb means no auxiliary verb. So here this have is a main verb. It means there is no auxiliary verb. It means what? Which rule we need to use for negative sentence? If there is no auxiliary verb, we need to use do form verb, and here the verb have means it's a present time. So for present time, which do form verb we need to use for the subject I? Yes, do only. So as per the rule, we need to write the subject I first, then the do form. See, do form, that is I do. Then what I need to write for making the negative? Yes, not. Then the main verb here will be have. I do not have. All the thing will come as it is. I do not have the train tickets. I am going to write down. Okay, because I don't have space, I am going to write it down. I do not have the train tickets is the negative sentence. Saying here train tickets illa. Okay, let's make this sentence into the question sentence. Okay, I have the train tickets. How can we make? Yes, there is no auxiliary verb, we have already found, and we have used the do form, that is do only. So what is the rule? We need to write the do form verb first, then subject. Can you tell me which do form verb we need to use? Yes, that is do. Then what is the subject here? That is I, do I, and all other things will come as it is. Do I have the train tickets? And it's end with question mark. Okay, do I have the train tickets? Engida train tickets irukka? Okay, that is the question. Okay, let's do the sixth one, and remember that this sixth question, it is not in your book bag exercise. There are only 5 questions in your book bag, and this sixth question I have done generally only. I have written general question only. Okay, let's try to do this sixth one also. So here the sentence is cats are playing with balls. Cats are playing with balls. பூனைகள் எல்லாமே balls வச்சிட்டு balls கூட விளையாடிட்டு இருக்கு. Okay, let's make it into negative sentence. Cats are playing with balls. So here you need to find, is there any auxiliary verb with the main verb or not? Okay, so here there is an auxiliary verb, that is are. Are refers to be from family, that is an auxiliary verb only, and this auxiliary verb comes with the main verb, that is playing. So when auxiliary verb comes with the main verb means we need to apply the first rule, that is we need to write the subject first and then the auxiliary verb. After that we need to write not to make it into negative and all other words. Okay, shall I write? So the subject is cats, and then The auxiliary verb here is are. And what I need to write next? Yes, that is not. And then I need to write main verb, that is playing. Then all other thing will come as it is with balls. Okay? So cats are not playing with balls means cats ellame punigal ellam ball kuda play pannala. This is the negative sentence. Okay, let's make this sentence into a question. Okay, cats are playing with balls. So we have learned that there is an auxiliary verb, also the main verb. So if there is an auxiliary verb and main verb, we need to use this formula. That is, we are going to write the auxiliary verb first and then the subject and all other words. Okay, so here the auxiliary verb is are. What is the subject here? That is cats or cats. Then all other words, that is playing with balls, or cats playing with balls. It means punigal ella ball kuda vilayadittu irukka. This is the question statement. Okay, question sentence only. So I hope you are clear with this video, children. In the previous video we have already done 3 questions, and in this video we have done the remaining 3 questions. So remember that when you are trying to make a sentence into negative, you need to apply this rule. That is, if a sentence contains the auxiliary verb, if a sentence contains the auxiliary verb as well as the main verb, you need to what you need to do to make into the negative? Yes, you need to write the subject first, then auxiliary, and then you have to write the not. Okay, not, then only you need to write the main verb and all other words. If the subject doesn't contain an auxiliary verb with the main verb means you need to use the do form verb. Okay, so what about the question sentence? You need to check for all the sentence, you need to check whether the sentence contains the auxiliary verb or not. Okay, if there is an auxiliary verb with the main verb means you are going to write the auxiliary verb first and then the subject and all other things. Suppose if there is no auxiliary verb means you are going to use the do form verb, then subject and all other words. So I hope you are clear with this video, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.